Learning HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, and CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is an excellent starting point for web development. HTML is used for structuring web content, while CSS is used for styling and layout. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start learning HTML and CSS. Learn the basics of HTML. Start with HTML as it forms the foundation of web development. Learn about HTML elements, tags, and attributes. Understand the basic structure of an HTML document, including the end tags. Create your first HTML document. Open a text editor, e.g., Notepad, Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text. Write a simple HTML document and save it with a HTML extension. Use the end tags to structure your document. Learn common HTML tags. Study essential HTML tags such as for headings, for paragraphs, for links, and for lists, and for images. Understand how to use attributes like src, and alt. Practice HTML coding. Create basic web pages with different types of content, like headings, paragraphs, lists, and images. Experiment with formatting text, adding links, and creating simple forms. Move on to CSS. Once you're comfortable with HTML, begin learning CSS. Understand the separation of content and presentation in web development. Learn CSS syntax. Study CSS selectors, properties, and values. Learn how to apply styles to HTML elements using selectors. Explore common CSS properties like color, font size, margin, padding, and background color. Apply CSS to HTML. Link your CSS file to your HTML document using the _ element in the _ section. Apply styles to HTML elements using CSS selectors. Experiment with changing text colors, backgrounds, fonts, and element positioning. Practice and build projects. Create small projects to reinforce your learning. Build a simple personal website, a portfolio page, or a blog using HTML and CSS. Learn responsive web design. Study responsive design principles to make your websites look good on various devices and screen sizes. Learn about media queries, flexible grids, and responsive images. Explore CSS frameworks. Familiarize yourself with popular CSS frameworks like Bootstrap and Foundation, which provide pre-designed UI components and responsive layouts. Keep learning. Web development is a constantly evolving field. Stay up to date with new HTML and CSS features, as well as web design trends. 12. Use online resources. Utilize online tutorials, courses, and documentation. Websites like Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, W3 Schools, and Codecademy offer comprehensive HTML and CSS resources. Practice, practice, practice. Consistent practice is key to mastering HTML and CSS. The more you code, the better you'll become. Remember that learning HTML and CSS is a journey, and it may take time to become proficient. Keep practicing, exploring, and building projects to enhance your skills and become a capable web developer.